Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
And you know the phone with church at the bar melody so. Na Obakaya last week me analysis be the two no more. If I wire me support to Mahama. Me MPP ni nso me support to Mahama, you know, in 2020 elections no. Na ni omuni say me the two no manfo ti a choma dwene ade afa. Shame in crying say from time to time no. Kakra me so me sua politics mu abedune. How am your opinion tie or no ma bia me hu no. Me ne etifo be share. Ni nyina yakọ yanim, you know. Nti di kan meda mu nyina amase mu amutie sa audio ni bia ni nkranhya mo share nyina. Meda obi bia ase. Na enne no senior politics tie no, nse nyina na yeka ebe wo de depending on baby a wogina. So we MPP ni a yeka na ase tie MPP kakra ase tie a na so. NDC ni so etia no kakra na ase tie a na so. Sa na politics etie. But then di no beti ni nipa na eka no na wa ye mpense mu ahwese. Anyambia se party ni kura mpo na wondi na nso party ni nkase dia so mesi akan intimi nto aba ma party ni bi mpo. Na mum no mesesa madwene wo no ma bi hu mpo a, you know, eboa na eri tumpo na ma yenyini obibia mu, not only in politics, you know. Enti ene no me baya ma madwene se asem no court a obia enim de susuaso e de beba aba no ya to awie yakwakoyi speaker of parliament na obia enim ne koye na aside that no yi speaker of parliament wie ni akwakoso na na do so in nipa yi no electoral commissioner yi no se onona ana se abaye to ye according to electoral commissioner no onona ne madoso a onyane o se odi omanenim. So until the court in the BB for the bar and no best sign about come no. For now, no, I think that we have to move on from here. Ahead there in 2024, no, depending on how the court will turn out, the court issue will turn out, no. Mahama, I'm sure about 90% say Onwana Obesa Kwama NDC. Na ya MPP so yesu ya anything is the question I'm perceived bisano pay. And I said, near ETOD. And 2 independent candidates. Then no more call independence. Now, omutimi winning. Winning or more party and no more free more. You know, the be a bibinti among man, you know, sa party in dim no more call independent. No mutimi winning it sa party no. Anyhow, I also sang for it me a respect your mufa. And no maybe a cacao, and then no better on point. If one cacrania can cacrania de. To Messia Moa, Mumbe with me. You be a mecaya, Uncle Senior Pibiano. Utia, to be chawadri, Boko, the Equine. Edikai, Yakasa independent candidate. Independent candidate, no, on the one only obia. Wako contemcro, etia aidane party. And I say, Opia only party bia. Nens was media main codom other NDC and I say MPP. Ni mum ni kujina contemcro na me man for ataba ma na media parliament. And I even sometimes krano it minya presidential, you know, aspiranta or no kra only party bia so me ko contemcro. So far we've seen among for winning say omoye independent or winning the only parliament. Inya presidential aspirant be our winning as an independent way or the aba. Until then, you can fa. Few guys were able to defy the norms. Mutimi a winning year. Edika obitimi winning independence or call independent mutimi dinko ni mwa. The edika also here. constituency bɛn na ɔkɔɔ saa independent na ɛyɛ party bɛn so stronghold sɛ mefa area bi te sɛ Ashanti region na wode fɔme na MP ɛyɛ example a ɛwɔ sɛ maa no tumi nya yɛ respect pa ɔsɛ yɛde buo bi ma saa papa no sonko whether ɔyɛ NDC ni anaasɛ ebi na MPP a ɔne MPP party ni nya nsɛm ansa na ɔkɔgyina independent no for him winning on that ticket as an independent no deɛ ɔsɛ obiara de respect ma no ɛdi nti na meka ne saa sɛ wohwɛ area bi te sɛ fɔme na ɛyɛ a traditional seat for the NPP nti ɛhɔ de obi anim sɛ woyɛ NPP ni na wokɔgyina nko adeɛ a the moment a ɛbɛ declare sɛ ɔna ɔyɛ parliamentary candidate wɔ saa area hɔ no you count yourself sɛ ɔna ɔyɛ the next member of parliament ɛdema constituency no nti sɛ obi etimi ba na ne manfoɔ ɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ kɔ content kro ne yɛbɛto ama wo na mpaa ɔkɔ content kro ne yɛtoma no na ɔbɛ represent ne manfoɔ parliament a sɛ nipa no ɔwɔ sɛ yɛma no respect paa the moment a ɔma ɔmbɛto aba no ɛna ɛɛkyiw so sɛ bra na yɛbɛto ama wo no deɛ in my eyes no anaasɛ in my opinion no independent candidate bie ne hɔ noma ɔfɔɔto ne party deɛ mpɛ sɛ mekyerɛ ne sɛ ɔmanfoɔ no na ɛɛpɛ no deɛ a ɛne ɔsɛ ɛgyae no na ɔmanfoɔ no ɛto abama no nti biribi bia wobɛka fa independent candidate ho bia sɛ ɔyɛ sɛ nti na party no yɛ de sɛ bia no once a wɔkɔ independent na ɔwini yɛ ne pɛ no what that means ne sɛ ɔmanfoɔ no ɛpɛ no na partyfoɔ no na ɛmpɛ no now mebɛma mo a clear example before we got here in 2008 yɛkɔto aba no before the national elections no anaasɛ the general elections no parties nyinaa kɔkɔtwusu ɔmo executives MPP yɛkɔ no Chatham Kufuor no yɛ president a na ɔyɛ MPP ni na ɔbɛma webi sɛ ɔno yɛ asantini a ɔdi party no as president no si yɛkɔtwusu mpanyinfoɔ party no ma yɛnkyekyɛ key positions no mfama all the regions sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ no regions will feel or no region will feel cheated na say feel ignored say party no nwene ɔmo nti sesesi meka sɛ Kufuor make the selections for various positions in key regions baako na baako yɛ Stephen Tim being the national chairman from Brahafo and Nana Addo at the time so on the preferences ɔno so de Mark Menu ɛbaeɛ in the long run we na party no Nana Addo na nkurɔfoɔ no majority of them na di nkonim agye sɛ ɔna na ɔwɔ so at the time nti free hɔ no start say be parliamentary candidate no money ade nsɛm PCC during that time the CC in 2020 elections here ma NPP lose many of their seats Mikaya and Yememama because are the same candidates and as I didn't see in 2008 Mikaya made it quite a example Joe Seusu some no DVA boss on a Kufuor na ye under Kufuor or say was the DVA drivers and licenses whatever at the time and Kufuor na memo no baby you no free ho no call be quite say or person call MP no 7 months for at the time no they had an incumbent that's an incumbent no na or tilted towards Nana Addo nti Joe Seusu call you know excuse me na who say grounds no epe Joe Seusu but party in the candy for the time no one pay Joe Seusu because he had served under Kufuor nti ompeno ekoye man so se mebre twi we bonu bugani adia na Joe Seusu di lusu primaries no after that no na ahemfo wo mpatamu wo kyerɛ no sɛ waa ne yɛpɛ nti de content crop ebe campaign among wedding kunim Joe say we should defy the odds and or stand there as an independent eto abani we ani ye kan no e kan aba no ma Joe say we should winning be quiet as if say he was on the ticket of the NPP and on the MP now we share papa no ni modern boy oba parliament na wa boy na odi be the first deputy speaker and in the was several before today. Ubisa ho say ntinka saa mafia game no money play be kwa in 2018. So trans din na one co independent nanka okan nsa share ndem mfemu a. Nti papa ntinka fa so ayenya won so ene enka yebenya na. Menka sese nko ni ho anko bi entimi meye emedi sa position no. Dem pese me kyerɛ sɛ obi bia emfa so won so. Including one and another na or yes any mummy pewe no obi bia mfa so obi aso but so when is wadi huna na woni politics mu a e bia na ehia e sika obi ma say ni so adi hunu no aba in reality so when is wadi hunu na so a politician na ehia ne say e be ma otumi na watimi aba express sa in so adi hunu ma o ma na nya say ni so adi hunu mfa so. So what I tend to say here and I say, Obibia or politics bia no ho mfa so. Nti se do say ye koto aba na ya hyehyɛ sɛ da say ne ye koto aba. Ne ye okura position bia ansa ne ye koto aba bia no. Ne tumi no eba wiye on the very day na ye to aba foforo no. Nti no se ye nyina ye bre ho ase na. Ye nkoye ne sɛ media mepɛ wei. Wabra o even one kasa kra no onim o faith whether o ko we ni wo de anase o kwa kolusu me di ha betray mu because that time na Akufo-Addo yes ompejo se usu any other candidate no ntimi ni omonye adwuma no ya 2012 abanu wie no Joe se usu and other independent candidate won their seat and went to parliament for the first time na do no so ntimi ni omonye adwuma no olusu presidential we no anase olusu presidency no. And that's why Nema Basse Uma Sadi we na yenye hu na ma umma ye kendifo no enye nyimu ye piki obi a ofri the background say ope nkambo mu na ye koto abakra na omo genuinely they will lose kra no he will find a way to interact with them, resolve issues with them, and they will still be part of the party. A omo koka se na e kode e me ko contenkro me can we didn't know me can we in 2008 before 2008 elections no Alan Martin Akufo-Addo ni other underdogs in the call for flag bearership race no. At the time it was heated na hot bar and people were saying say Kufuor's preference at the time no was Alan and they got to about Nana-Addo winning e Legon. And some course after saying another winning, now no she. And some course to Alan Martin party anymore to the extent say at a point in time, Ocho resignation letter the Peter McMahon say or resign free party now. Because of the air course on penny be NTB say no. At all baby ni candidate. A who in some who making sure say a sideline as Alan Martin call for supporting in our party no. You money is in China the Fufraba because she on the also. And a force Alan in Sama yes and all reserve free party no. Me the ono na do ne time no oye e ma ye lose 2008 elections no. Eto to Kufuor ho ne oye ma ye win 2000 elections now. You see Kufuor be flag bearer of the MPP no. All pay majority of parliament and as a person of formal government no formal ni yenti no. Constituency bi ana okọ grounds no. Na wakako bisa omanfo. Nipa ni dida nkrofo ano ho a ebuo wo no ho a ogina party na nemu a yebeto abama no. Kufuor twi nkrofo bebre de ba party ni mu a na omonya MPP before na they were not even politicians. Some were bankers, some were engineers, and so now I'm saying no mukura omo ye influential people wo omo constituency ni ade no kofo ba no be kasa na de udwuma bi a wodi bia wode ato no aba. Many of them won to become first time MPs of Ghana's parliament. When you be in free mu crack koya to the extent so kofo papa ko syndrome kase papa ko syndrome is resourceful even though the man was a CPP ni no kofo papa ko syndrome say enam so resourceful ntino papa ko syndrome mfa ne don mbeta MPP as a whole achi na so parliament. Nobody will contest him in that KEA constituency. Kofo did that. And obi bia no potential say and why na you say or aspire in that area so parliament be or MPP ni no. Or no better say akasa ama whatever it is no. You still remain a member of the party. HCB and party ni mo say we did 2 terms. And sana party no to me ekwa kodina na Akufo Addo. We have seen from 2008 jichimu aba party ni mu ene content kura hodo aba mu be see na me na okase. Making we beka say oh jai na papa no di ne time awie yemfa na asem nto nchen. Yentimi fa na do asem nto nchen because he still holds the biggest influence in the party as I speak with you. I'm saying all these things because I don't know, you know, you also want to call the shots say enipa we na me pe say mimi ni ho no mo obe succeed me like Kofo did in the Alan case. Now, so we share another the kind of voter or the winning in 2016 the be there. Now you call into 2020 elections now we share the way I also struggler to the extent say or no any party member in parliament at this crucial moment it me tutia or no nominee for speaker of parliament. Also who say nyem nko na me problem with the man. But even the insiders who are enjoying the NPP na Ankasa Krano, some of them doesn't like the man. Clearly, no, you could see say any pa or two na ba essay no a ma bagbin ebeye speaker of parliament at this time no. Menye sure say we that naive so no as an MP. Nkrofo na to abama no kwato aba no akakolusu. Menye sure. It's a deliberate attempt to say yenko kaso obi to my NDC ntino was say ballot no. Ofri the NPP side no was say ballot no just to pave way for Bagbin to go. I can assure you that one. It is because say subi koso party ni mo papa no di enimu na koye kankan bi ono ka final nti the only way ya nkrofo de be kire ne say yempe no kokromoti. Because also going into the elections, you thought some Mahama crime say 30% of the vote crime here no onya. And so one number to abana kasankasa de Mahama no. Na omate din. So me pese me 2 MPP 44 e was high say. Usho formana ni ya otimi e wini di parliament na. Wo de enhwe and na me no ka say or your second deputy speaker of parliament. Say obinu say ni oba be na djuma afa whether so born homodin so mon homodin but no me no nye ne eba be kire because so born homodin ekoyi ema obi wa mon homodin so obi so ani so but dem pese me kire ne say entinka wo de na nkomo ye ne ye no pese mo true out of the parliament no. And the MPP for done the DT papa we say wa parliament, including the president himself, going into the constituency to say or no the own team in Juma outrightly. Then so ni nyina papa itimi fa ni nyina mba independent. Then never be first second deputy speaker. Enti senka omo machinations ni nyina kotia papa na. O a potential speaker of parliament. Nanka obi ni president or no ba be di ntino. Who all others under him say obi bia obi twa na mbia no anase obeye wonye obi a ono ne interest wo mo bia no o career and say na ono de omedi ne president comfortably wo de ya hwe demeanor no the way o si di kasa wo de mintimi ne wonya adwuma sounds like ono pe ne betimi di president e wo Ghana. And so we are there hotel no 8 years, West 8 years, you will go and somebody else will come. And I said, "Mdi kaka no." See a more 4-year term. So 4-year term near the amount expire on the very day I say be elections here kwakoto ababium. That day na yes akoto abanape utumi no expire. So you don't determine going forward no see declare winner untimi nkyerese wo na woko. Until on that day no se me call content kura me no mi no nyina pepepe until the ballot is counted na you be hu de obedi nkunim no. You can't tell me say media untimi no nya adwuma. Ebia na me na mentimi no nya adwuma adon day. And now manfo na ma wo kwan ma me ne wo nya adwuma. Because e be asida 2010 when you went to all those constituencies na independent judge no. He declared the 70 minister independent candidates in Nyejuma. By the long run, those guys won their seat and went to parliament for the first time, and he lost the presidency. It has happened before. But Wabaswa Sabe the same thing. Ude projection NDC for parliament. When they were talking about presidency, Mahama was talking about majority. They saw on the ground said they were going to claim all the seats in the deficit against MPP. Because they capitalized on the Kufuor sue out done during the primaries, you know. Chomu who say grounds and Koyima and the MPP. They projected 43, 140, 100 against projecting 140 and that's 143 seats. And a year, say, 140. I ne a who's in so acquired BPO, you who is in his canifa. And yet, on many Obibia, the presidency, they also did whether the minority cramp or within the president or you know Bibia. Sadi Pawi, Yamani need dominim. Me catch them, would you share the demeanor, say, or no, dear. The president in Okona Ulusukro on Fano, on the president in the Quambia, so say easy, no. Every man in Kikana who will be the president. A Quambia was also a friend, no swear, because a friend in Ekufado. Obi Bia or start to say on to be MP, not be deputy minister, not be a minister, non so a corporation on Sunya president to be the Bias among Koda, so no, this or not in the president every. Sat nipa no me intimi ntoba mawo. I don't hate in Ekufado. But in terms of politics, anything a person Ghana se kona nimu fano. To me, na do nyo bi osen kitim man kwa man be party nimu. No be president. But a balancer. Make us answer nyina because for those of you who don't understand why Papa ne di na ye na still make an answer. Make because Obe Pese he will be the one to call the shot in the next elections as to who should lead the MPP. Say them confasati project na Baumiano. Me pese me can pay the chile MPP for say. If you look at Nana Akufo-Addo's second term, the way OC struggle both parliament and a nationwide and even courts, any idea that anymore. Anybody Nana Akufo-Addo bring forth Biase on only preference in Ibia, a court 2024 elections now, the person will lose. I can assure you. The person will lose in the person say, or the Bawumia Beba. Bawumia will be the worst candidate of the MPP anymore, or person who will compete to me about president. I can assure you. First of all, I just said Bawumia ain't qualified to be president. Just as Mahama qualifies to be president, you know. They all from the north, or the northern part of Ghana. Until they make a muni tribal and free, and not tribalism free. Now, bear with me, say, I am for Mahama in terms of leadership in Ghana. And me ye MPP ni, and me pese me chile say you hu ni akono ni efe. My elections ni ebe in 2024 no eye da. Enya Bawumia ene ni Mahama beko. Minim de court no be baba de. Nemum. Yem fa ne say court aba court say na eko. Definitely, the NDC will use Mahama in 2024. Because your president already 76 years. It is a Mahama at the time, no, 65 and not 66. He still can go for another 4 years. Why in between the Mahama call when people Mahama MPP so who say yes, we've given the man a run for his money. Mechiamu Bibi, in these elections 2020 elections here Mahama winning 16 regions Mahama winning mo 9 and the incumbent who says he is 1 no enya mo 7 e dey ntino this 7 e claim say wa winning a ebinom gidie a ebinom so nyinie because of one region voter or the man on it. That region nko no omo 44 seats na wo ho I almost stronghold Ashanti region. Vote in Free Ashanti region but it me cancel about 3 regions in Ghana. And so if you win 9 regions, now or win 6, now the Ashanti region ka ho a. Otimi claim say odi nkunim. That Ashanti region no the only region in Ghana kasa baako pe na omoka. We man from aba from mo a. Obi bia o kasa from Ashanti region bia e wo sa kro ni mu no oye hoho. Even those angrofo ni nyina to aba no. The indigenes na eya Asantefo na nkasa na go Ashanti region no. Omo ne believe say the NPP party belongs to them. Say NDC benya vote o Ashanti region na ye man from e wo mu na to aba e de ma NDC. Even though the Ashantis also vote sometimes for the NPP or for the NDC no. Omo vote omo nya no mostly no e base the ho na e fra from no. So the advice I will give to the NPP is say ye keep us region say a stronghold because every time bia no candidate na ogina ya name no ne background akanni ahoka etwi kasa bi edubu ahin ne bedi party ne medical from there Kufo ne buy nyina edubu ahin Asante Kufo Asante. So it makes the NPP and the Kufo brought us to power. So make the Ashanti people believe say the party omodia because Kufo na first person or the party ne ba power. Inti amana be tradition da ho. Then from there Nanado took over. Nanado, you know when it comes to Nana, can focus on Nana, nipa bi a di bu man pa. So a boy ma omutimi maintain the Ashanti region as a stronghold. Me opinion analysis kakra da chemu say in 2024 if both parties choose people from the north, I can assure you say the NPP will not get Ashanti region as a stronghold because omo mienu nyina ba omiane John Mahama nyina no omo nye Asantefo it is a omo koto abana metimi akacho Ashanti mbitimi achemienu na Mahama is already having 9 regions already. It is Ashanti region mu chemienu a obefem one should be winning elections now and now here na by time kra me in my eye the me person me chemo no say ba omi akọ NPP will not get the Ashanti region as a stronghold and na esoro hoso no Mahama sufri hobi into oni ba omi abeche soro ho no nti so oni ba omi ache soro ho na so kuta 9 regions already now obenya efa and also obenya 40% to cry of Ashanti region cry na Mama will be gone. Se mu chusu Alanchera Martin no be di MPP anymore. Alanchera Martin Asantini. And so that Ashanti being the stronghold of MPP no, one he could be rising them more. E dey my MPP. E cross since any hu no under na Akufo-Addo ne second term. That time Musa Mahama Krabe win Krana. It wouldn't be I saw said here. Ebia na me hu no say against Baomiano. Na Alanchera Martin will be prepared for the next election say obetimi abeji tumi no free NDC ho because by then no Mahama will be gone. Aside that no say me sure Baomia the way I see the normal politics mu na me hu ne say oyobia Ghana to me say Baomia na ye president no. No, my idea who sa we know more. Maybe people may say, oh, Obon Homodin, he's a contributor of this, on the way by on his own. And only you say, we are be the nearly to me be a mouse. You have the free will to express what you think say be or say enomasiko. Like we have the chain na yanka wan hye ne ma wakanya na also play role. Nipa bi wo ho no ma eye abedi chire nkwa no mbetimi aye. Na nipa bi wo obo ndi nkwa se obe ya abedi chire kura na wa otum se we mfata se obedi obi achi. You know that your charisma be wo ma untimi nka say oye deputy to this. But if I see Baumia, no ne Mahama Jina ho say ye petum die pobi di tumi ahye ne nsa wo Ghana. I don't see Baumia winning against Mahama. Me de me MPP ni nti na me masa advice no. Sa lan kra na be kwa ma MPP kra na I still am for John Mahama because Mahama na all track record ametimi agina so de me say simbu akase. Enam sa di we awa ye kire so ba obetimi abeye foforo nti no. Ye ntoma no me di ni 4 years aka no nko. Then from there we can move on. But I just want to advise. Say ma obi andrimu say Baumia o nine. That one I can assure you. Enti adofo kakra na me pese me ne moka. Enie. Mostly no. Not only the presidency, you know, but even in our constituencies, MPs no money ade no. Ye chusu o ma. Mama yemfa no ma bebre ntutu ho. Not just because nipa we say obi kura na oyibi me yedi nti. Ana say oye me party ni nti ana party a me do ho no free nti no so yo so onyo ne eto aba. Mama yenyini mfiri saa mpempenso no nko yenim kakra say ogina manem baby a wo ntimi enkodru no wodu utumi ahye ne nsa say ono nko gina ho mawo bibi a wo yibia oya ma wo nti se wutwusu nipa no de ne kɔ no ko gina ho na ade a wo ye no nya de e represent wo a enam se ono all represent wo baby o gina ne nti no ade bi a wo ye bia no whether you like it or not e represent wo nti moment bi model enkyere ono mo a omo ni sa nim de no a omo to aba based on party colors no obi wo cross NDC colors ne ne fekeke nti no to aba ma NDC obi so wo MPP colors ne fekeke eno ntia sadi ni nyina mo nyini mfrim yen ko drum pempenso obi se me de nka me party A ne mo candidate na afi ye de na ba ne de me de ka be prefer sa party we ni pa ne mo nso no betimi ama Adami constituency and say oman no etumpon me the America here example a ubehu se enam suban bi ni ade a Donald Trump be da na di e America fo nti no ono ani party fo bebre edu se ekoto aba no a omo baba ban mu pen ye nimu omo so omo ye Republicans be gina TV so declare omo support them Joe Biden ebinum so Democrat mu a omo so hu ni say Joe Biden so enye a omo so ko declare support the man Donald Trump enye one sided ubetimi free MPP no akwakoto aba ma NDC depending on the candidate na ejina no any policy o dia beto abonten ni say wo hwe na nsema ko kan obetumi aye say Ghana no the difference between Ghana and America no ne say ye no ye grow into you be about the manifesto ni so ade hunu ba America entisa eye ne edi omo constitution ni share nsa obetimi protect constitution no so nti ye de no say u chusu obi u be chusu candidate so hwe nipa na track record say oso bibi mu a oye ne sen oye leader ampa a no ma ya wo kan ye ma ye de tumi share nsa obetimi tumi no akɔgyi saa no ma no dwuma na because bia ni ho a oba onkuta no eni so ade hu no ebi policy no aya kono etimi ya kono abosa afi na undi ye so na afono ebi de ne ye sugar or the 230 abefumu bebre enso be komu na bibia nim utimi ko dru bebre 30 bebre afumu ho no be hwa de kro mu nyina afumu ho no na ya de kitikiti bi sometimes no mo de beto abontia mo amontena si na mo nhwe mo brabo mu na mo nya visibility studies nsema nipa yi kan betimi aye no bi etimi aye betimi agina kopem pempenso oben nchiri ma eba no benya ho mfaso saa de wi no se ya na adwene ho ansa na de atwusu candidate ansa na asa kokoto aba metie Mahama ne Akufo-Addo e wo debate me pay free hall ho na me catch me colleague MPP for say me MPP ni, but I think I prefer Mahama to Nana Akufo-Addo in terms of the policy, free education policy no dey no ba no ya e bitimi ayeyi pa no e John Mahama. I said that to my colleague, cannot drive or drive a party car. So I have liked the man since that, or imagine not as vice, but say, oh yeah, obey or yes, obey take care of the most the place, or yes, obey your man anymore. Mama, ye Ghana, indi ye kind, ye party politics. Ye Ghana, indi ye kind. In party politics. Ye ma party politics ni ko ye too much. Ye be market time ye nko ye nimda. Ye nyu bi mane me country say forward march. Ye jira fa ko sabi ko politician bia e try so be manipulating crofo no. Especially ya dwene. Oh, wo hwe bi no bi timi be tran TV so. E kasa wo hwe politicians ni bia e kan sem a eni se o muka. Enso nam so mu free ye party montino. When they speak na enye kora na ye form so wo de hwe characters bi ti say wuntumi characters bi ti say Kennedy Japan. Look at the way we see you no Ghana. All these things no cost to MPP on the ground. When Kennedy Japan thought said oh ye ne boy boy party no nim say comfort din hwe wo mo ne du say ekoto aba na obehu say ye de sa tumi ni be sa ma obi mu no aba be ye de wo ye na ye pe leader Kufuor time and no ye president no. Na Kennedy Japan no ye MP. But Kufuor never give Kennedy Japan 1 minute in his government because when him say sa nipa way. Man kwan wo aban mu a be say aban no. Eh no better no come ko ni fi no pamo many ade. It is because Kufuor was a wise man at the time. And so mo hwe de na ekoso Ghana. Kennedy Japan team be TV so ka kire say obehye Mahama shinis amana da ne nso. Yet one year no. So to me, what in radio station can some say a party like MPP. Now your stronghold, the chairman of your stronghold, who be an education certificate or nibi. Because of patapa nature of your candy for no. Tembia or so choose to can and go for or my patapa sa no modi takashi be fa no memo. But you see yes so pamu hu for na hu ni bema. And I will turn Bema. So you patapa too much. You do baby, who the parliament in DC. Hey, Kakrabina, soldiers near soldiers obey Muma. The parliamentarians stood on their ground, making sure that they are stopping the military men. They work them out. So who did ye patapa na ye too much? Both of you will now lose grip, Okaso BNT, because who buy in the over already. Omema party no enya kono. Yen chusu nkrofo a omunye traitors omun betray yen no mo di party ne be dom akoma so no omunye omun selfish interest binti no mo yen peke nkrofo a omude omafu tumi ne ye omude say ye beka so no ye MPP chairman and so no ye MPP general secretary dom so kekenti no ene ye koto abade amomo yen hwe ni ye wo omumu say nipa ne be di party ni ma respect be no de bre party no a key. I remember when NDC chose Esiedun Ketia as some general secretary. I was like, now when you know, and a demand, Sana when na me demand no be into General Mosquito. Because I don't know the personality as Obekasa class a pioneer fast yamfa. Papa na chile from time to time, I say, you can't Ghana politics. Why in the bit me attrance church Ghana constitution match as in Esiedun Ketia? NDC kwa no makochusu ono a problems beba we pese okobie we dia che kona we mra omo kwa no mochusu ono a o na bi no so mate ada confuse a bo so mo di mu sa na so mo do party no mu ye de hu ni sen iji Kwabre Japan look at that man, look at that guy, a potential president of the Republic of Ghana. Kwabre Japan di o man in Ghana ni mu se president a fatano. And so be any selfish interest said no akwa we wo ha mempe o je ya yi Kwabre Japan fi hono ya no did ni pa bai so say 2016 since it true about the man MPP they were thinking say Kobe Japan yi ni free on money new executives na line your map into no money. 2020 has exposed those people say at that time no na Ghana for here change under Mahama. And you be more than be your boy. Na over 1 million votes no can nemo struggle parliament. 169 parliamentarians no and kesun team ma 137 and my mom pre-draw of parliament. If they were the ones that won the seat for you and they won the power for you. Who choose be or not choose be or the respect bebra. Excuse me. Obi o jina wane mu na otu ni na hwe say yes nipa you representing me ofata. And you be a who TV now it was all jano no way free all kind of thing. Obi a nipa but obi a ni you be to me aye. Akramiti me advice akramiti ndi ama MPP for no. As for NDC there, mo candidate in there, minim say ono ana mo de no beko. Na ono so ma me no yi no. Senye ma me na mpo no be say yi a on say nyi oba biom. We want to see that happen in Ghana. Said yes, you American. You be the first vice or your Oba Ghana ni ahwe sini bisi akwafa. Which I believe is in the next MPP leader no mbo chusu no. Obe call the same land on so 4 bar. Ni ahwe whoever wins in 2024. You be say be hu Oba oye vice president. Because we are seeing CCR no. A man di animu ni nyina no. E perform very good. It's high time say best to say you didn't too many be more do in the Mayamba. So we like to see in 2024. Uti audio na bibi wo ma meka ya anya uda. Utimi comment na wachire wachuma dwamba so. Because the meka from time to time the BC bia no ye be dwendwen ho na ne ye hunu fa ho no. E dia beto na motie. Meja enyina na ye koye ni. Midamose. Therefore